Bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va?
Ah oui, ça va.
Ça va bien?
Ah ouais!
Regarde en face, c'est quoi? Bonjour. Welcome back to a global dosage of food. So, if you're new to this series, just know that in this series I replicate different foods I've had around the globe. So, when I went to France, Paris, I had a Madame croque monsieur and a croque monsieur. So today we're kind of going to be doing both. The only difference with a Madame and a monsieur is that the Madame comes with a fried egg on top of it. So we're just gonna jump right into it. First we have eggs, Gruyere cheese, tofurkey substitute for ham, brioche for a sweet savory taste, non-dairy oat milk, spices, I can't believe it's not butter, and flour. So we're gonna start with the bechamel sauce, which is actually something I'm familiar with using. I've used it, or I've cooked it and made it in several pasta dishes. So we're gonna start with that. Now, first things first, we'll start by heating up the margarine spread until it's completely melted, and then we're gonna add flour. We'll whisk it together and then add milk, and we're constantly going to be whisking the batter. That way we can prevent chunks from forming. Now we're gonna add the spices. Now I'm adding salt, pepper, and clove. But instead of clove, you can use nutmeg. I've seen that in other recipes. It actually might be a little too thick. So if it's too thick, just add a little bit more milk. If it's too watery, add a little bit more, or liquidy, just add a little bit more flour. It's really good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more milk, because when it cools down, it's going to thicken and it'll be firm. As you probably already know from my Instagram, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is @Gibri, so you can go there and follow along for some fun golf, and I post a lot of different food stuff on my story. So right now we are going to use my Betty Crocker, which is not sponsored. I wish it was, so if you guys know anybody at Betty Crocker, let me know, because I love this pizza maker. See how this came out? Ooh. Golden on top, darken on the bottom. Alright, since the croque monsieur was way too stacked for the pizza maker, we're gonna pop it in the oven real quick, and we're almost done. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Okay, for the tasting. I'm so excited. I'm like starving. What should we do first? This one? Or this one? How does this look? Who is ready? I'm ready. Okay, we're gonna try the croque monsieur first. Oh my god, I haven't had this in how many years? 3 years. Holy shit. Wow, I'm good. Damn, you guys don't even know. Jesus. Call me Chef Gibri. That was amazing. Would you guys be more into the croque monsieur or croque madame? Let me know below in the comments and be sure to hit that subscribe button for some other fun recipes. See you in the next one.